there to pick the wall plate up. We brick the brick over the front, that's the next job. And then we're going to go up the gable on the same. That's the next job on the next video. Catch you later, guys. As you can see, the dental course runs round the corner there. You can see it. It continues around and looks good. That's it. Building it up, preparing to put a string line from up here down, and then we're going to build this, corbel it out and rack it and tooth it up to give it a decorative feature. We should be putting a little arch over the window, and that always makes these old properties look nice instead of having a lintel in. Chris is just building it up ready for that racking back. Been on this job from the foundations up. Using a 4-in-1 lime mix so that this will match in with all the rest of the old property, as they used to use lime to build these properties with. Okay, we set our dental course out on here to feature at the eaves, and as you can see, you bring them out and the toothing on the top. Just continuing around and taking the dental course as we're doing here from around the other side, and then we're going to take this whole feature right up our gable end, right up here, up the cuts to the top, to the peak. We started, as you can see here, and it's a continuation. I'll just show you around the corner as it comes round and continues from the front right round. Here we are cutting up according to the line. We're using packers, 10mm packers, as you can see we're doing here, and then we strike a pencil down where the line strikes the brick, and that, when that's laid, should be in line with that building line. So we've got to do them all the way up here and down the other side, and at the top there we're going to put an arch. Okay, here's the window that we took out. This is the original. I'm putting the arch over like that and creating the arch in brickwork, seeing where our birds' mouths are, as you can see here, and then we will lay that over dry laying so we can see exactly how it's going, and we will transfer that when it's ready to be put here, and the arch will be over with blue bricks just to give it a feature, and then this here will be the toothing all the way up and over the arch, so that it will create a nice feature as you'll see as we go along. Here we have already built up to the window. We put in the arch over, as you can see, in blue brick. Now we've got some cuts to do, and I'm going to make a template and show you how to do that as we go over this arch. Got some templates here. I'm going to put the brick and make a template. Always make a template, as you can see here. And that's going to put this shape on that. It's come up strange because we've got a stretcher course coming up, dental toothing over that, and then a stretcher course again. So we've kind of got a unique cut here, which we're going to work out with a template. That's how we do it. Use templates and work out across this awkward cut. So we've laid them bricks dry, and now we can see the shape we need to cut. Template on. This is the size of a brick. Perfect size of a brick. So as if you're laying, we've got that one there, and it comes up, come across, and we'll have to cut the shape of the arch there with a bed there, and then naturally the other brick will come there with a joint that works in perfectly to the top crown of the arch. There we go, if you can see that. If you're coming halfway on the bricks like bonded there, comes perfectly on the top. That's how they're supposed to work on an arch. Come to the final bit now. You can see our cut's coming up like this, and so we come to this top piece, we're cutting a piece in as is seen. We've got our templates, we've got the shape across there. Now we just run in across, we want a level up there to follow that brickwork, and there we go. So we've got the mark there. This brick will come over that then, we'll cut it there and come up to the peak to the top. Okay. Okay, that's done. That window will need to be pushed in. And we need to put a bit more in because of the cable there. We can't do anything until the roofers have come. And the electrician guy moves it out of the way for us. Okay.